unstoppable gold and silver, as we have predicted in our weekly monthly review that both gold and silver are heading to moon. Now we have seen gold achieving close to 2400 levels and silver moving towards $29 levels. Now what to expect today? Can we expect this rally to continue, or there is a potential pullback which can be expected? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. The next update will be released before the US session, before the key data releases. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch this. If you look at the hourly charts, it is trying to show a reversal. Yes, this could be the reversal sign, but it has to now break below 2380. That is the 2380.79 is the first support levels, and then 2370. If at any point of time you see gold trading below 2370, we can say that a pullback towards 2360.62, which is going to be the first, and below that another round of good drop can be expected, which can in fact erase the complete gains. Now if you look at the formation here, rise retracement towards 20 period, which means 2360-65 zone is achievable, which was the resistance, is now going to be the support. But for that, this has to be confirmed as a reversal sign, which means we have to wait for the next candle, where if it goes below 2380, 2379, you can initiate a selling entry. Stochastic overbought trying to cool down. MACD is extremely divergent, bullish. It can try to convert, but right now not showing much signs. RSI is overbought as well. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, see, this was the retracement. This is the breakout here. It has continued on the upside. You can see it is trying to erase the gains from the preceding candle, achieving the highs, trying to reverse. Now this is important. We will have to wait for the next candle, where if it stays below 2380.79 and then 2370 zone, we can say a pullback cannot be denied towards 2360 and 50 levels. Now one must notice, see, after the rise, this was the retracement. It has formed a very good support and base here at 2320.30, forming double bottom. We have seen this breakout. So now 2320-2330 is the zone which is going to be the support level. It should not break. Only bearishness in gold is if you see it is staying below 2320-2330 levels, else it is still not bearish. It can continue to rally on the upside. Stochastic here is overbought again. MACD is divergent. MACD is bullish. It is looking upwards. RSI is also overbought, trying to cool down a bit. Coming to 3 hour, likewise on the 3 hour charts, higher lows, higher highs can be seen, which means it can try to move towards 2375 levels, which is going to be a very good support. So if you look at, it has to see where this candle has started, almost 2375 levels. Now higher lows means it has to break below 2375 and 70 zone in order to confirm a complete reversal, else it is still not to be treated bearish. Remember, if you notice this, after the rise this is retracement, and after the retracement this is breakout, so it has still got the bullish momentum. Don't take it that every rise is to be followed with a fall. Though the gold has rallied too much, it has to drop a bit, but right now it is not showing much signs of it. Stochastic overbought. MACD here crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. RSI is also overbought, trying to cool down. Coming to 4 hour, similar is the observation on the 4 hour chart. The rise, the retracement, the rise, the retracement, and now again it is showing a rise. Where are the highs of this channel? If you connect the dots, you will find 2415 is the zone which it may try to achieve, and which could be the highs. And in fact, if you see this red line coming in, this is going to be the key resistance for silver or gold now, around 2450 levels. If it continues with the rise today and in the coming week, 2450 is the level which is also achievable. Looking at the bullish momentum, anything is possible. Stochastic is overbought. MACD has crossed over here, trading with divergence, looking bullish, looking upwards. RSI is near to overbought. Coming to day. Now, before we look into daily charts and I share the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 30th mentorship batch starting coming Monday, 15th of April. Yes, in this batch, we focus on sharing all the key tools, concepts, strategies, and the trade setups with the help of which you can identify the profitable trades with ease and can trade profitably. So do not miss this opportunity. Enjoy the batch and cherish the learning for life. You can reach out to me via Telegram or email for your queries related to the services. Else, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram where trading as per the signals you can benefit. So write an email or ping me on Telegram for any of your queries. Now, and those who had asked me to recommend a broker who are looking for a swap-free account with the lowest spreads with global presence and where you can transact safely and easily. You can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. If you join through the link, you will get the lowest spreads too. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, what has happened? Higher lows, higher highs are seen, taking the support here from the bottom and creating higher lows. We have seen gold continuing on the upside. Now it appears it has hit the top of the channel, and if you look at the movement of the candles, it is mostly concentrated on the upper half of the channel here. Now it is very important for gold to break below 2370-75 zone and then 2360. If at any point you see gold is staying below 2360, now also just track the pivot here. Where is the pivot for this? 2395 it is achieved, and on the downside 2325 levels, it $70 of move. And if you consider the median, where is the median? The median is now situated at 2360, which also makes it a very important level for gold to break past by. So if you see gold trading below 2360, we can say now we are looking forward to a pullback towards 2340 levels as well. Remember, too much of divergence. We are talking about this now since a week and more, that the gold is now trading with too much of divergence from the 20 period moving. And also, what did we talk and discuss yesterday? Look at the rise here. What has happened? 2200, where it is consolidated 2250, it has stayed in the zone. It has waited for the 20 period moving average to climb up. Now what is happening here? Same can happen here as well. It can try to stay in the zone, wait for the 20 period moving average to climb up towards 2300 levels and take the support and bounce back. So this is what it is trying to do possibly. Stochastic is overbought here. MACD is still trading with extreme divergence and it is looking upwards, not showing any signs of reversal. RSI again overbought. Looking at this, the selling entries are clear, 2379.80, but then also it has to be traded with extreme caution. 2375 first, 2370 the second, and then 2360 the third level. As long as 2360 is not taken, you should not be treating gold as bearish, or it is only bearish if it trades below 2360, where we can see a further fall towards 2340. Now thus, as long as 2360 is respected, chances of a pullback will be very high. On the upside, I will recommend a buying entry now at 2390 levels. 2390, 91.5 should be a good buying entry. Wait for 2395, 96, 2400, and then if it stays beyond 2400, just stay bullish. We will look forward to 2413, 2412 levels first target, and then 2418 levels the nearest targets. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver on the early charts, after the rise, bullishness got diminished. It is trying to reverse. If you see it is staying below 2370, when you see the higher prices below 2370, you can initiate a selling entry. It can erase the complete gains and can move towards 2840 levels. So yes, 2870 is the level at which we can initiate a selling entry. That is what it appears, but it has to break below 2840 in order to confirm the drop and the bearishness. If you look at the formation here, it is consolidated retrace, rise, retracement, flat bottom, rise. It could retrace a little, but still not showing complete bearishness. Most importantly, it has to drop now below 2860, 2840 zone. Stochastic is overbought, trying to cool down. MACD is trading with extreme divergence and bullishness. It can also try to converge RSI near to overbought levels. Coming to 2-hour chart, likewise on the 2-hour chart, see, this is a massive bullish candle, first bearish candle. The second bearish candle may try to take it little lower. However, remember, again I am saying only bearishness today is if it drops below 2840, which will confirm the reversal here. Below 2840 is where you can say now it is trying to trade bearish, and we can look forward to 2820, $28 levels. However, so far it is still under retracement. We should not be treating this as bearish, but to take the advantage of the downward move, you can take a sell entry at 28.70 on silver. If you look at the stochastic, this is overbought. MACD is trading with divergence and bullishness. RSI is near to top. Coming to 3 hour, now silver on the 3 hour charts achieving higher highs and a flat bottom. It is still suggestive of the inherent bullishness here. Yes, one bullish candle, a swing candle, and the next candle, once it stays above $29 levels, we can say that we are looking forward to another round of rise, which may take it soon towards 29.50 levels, very, very soon. Now, if you look at the movement here on the 3 hour chart, the rise, the retracement, it is consolidated around 20 period moving average, and since then we have seen it trading bullish. Again, for the day, if you are looking forward to bearishness, it is only and only if silver trades below 28.40. Stochastic overbought, MACD just crossed over trading bullish, RSI overbought here. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts, it appears that this candle may try to take a symmetrical position, which can in fact take it till towards 28.40-50 zone. And at those levels, we will see how it behaves. Though the momentum right now is with modest bearishness, not a complete bearishness, because see, we would have expected it to erase the gains completely. However, it is not showing any such intent as of now. Stochastic overbought, MACD has crossed over, trying to trade with divergence bullishness, RSI near to top. Coming to likewise on the daily charts, you can find out, see consolidation, and this is trying to give a breakout here. As we have seen, now silver, if you count the move here from 27.50 to almost 29, $1.5 of, and which creates the median at around 28.20. Now that is the level, that is 28.20 is the confirmation of a complete reversal. Now below 28.40 is where the bears will try to take it further down, where the bearishness will increase. Below 28.20 is where you can say it is trying to reverse completely, else it is still not bearish. Now if you look at the daily charts, after consolidation here, it is trying to resume its upward journey, and it appears the highs are almost done. But if you see silver staying beyond 29, then you can say more bullish momentum is going to be seen. Now also look at the daily charts, rise, retracement with the higher, or you can say consolidation with higher body size, then consolidation, and it is again looking upwards. Only worry point is the divergence of the price from the 20 period moving average, sitting at around 26 and 26.50 zone. It has to converge. It is not showing much signs of it as of now. You can see what has happened here can replicate here as well. Yes, it has almost seen the highs of the channel here. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI overbought. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy silver only and only. You see silver is staying above 28.90. When you see the lower price of you can see the lower price above 28.90, you can initiate a buying entry, but then you have to wait for it to break beyond 24.10 levels. Beyond that, we will look forward to 24.40-50 zone as the next target. 28.40-50, not 24.40-50, 28.40-50 as the next target. So you can buy here at 28.90. And where is the selling entry? You can sell here at 28.70, but then you have to trail your stop losses with the 10 cents trailing stop loss as long as 28.40 is not taken. Below 28.40 is where the bearishness will be seen, where you can look forward to 28. And at any point of time, if silver drops below 28.20, stay bearish. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join the mentorship batch and the signals channel. Join the free Telegram channel, and do watch the next update before the US session. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again few hours from now.